Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, everybody, whichever time you are watching this video from. My name is Aligwera Atubeloba. I'm just here to put on a review for SendReach Sender. The SendReach Sender is a software developed for email marketers, affiliate marketers, anyone selling online to use email marketing to make sales, make money, reach their prospect, and communicate to their audience. And in this video, I'll be showing you a trick on how to use a free SMTP to send up to 10,000 emails without spending a dime on SMTP. How to send up to 10,000 emails without spending a dime on SMTP using SendReach Sender. Without the SMTP, there is no way you can send an email to your audience. So now, the problem people usually face whenever they are trying to send emails is that, where do I get SMTP from? And even if they get SMTP, most of the SMTP they are getting are not powerful, cannot reach inbox, because the sole aim of you sending emails is that you want to reach your audience, your prospect inbox. When you reach their inbox, that is when they can see what you are selling. That is when they can see what you are trying to communicate to them. That is it. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to create SMTP for free and how you'll be able to use SendReach Sender to send up to 10,000 emails with this free SMTP. Let's go and dive in. What we are going to cover in this video: 1. How SendReach work. I'm going to be showing you the overview of how the SendReach Sender works. Number 2, we are going to be creating a free SMTP account. Like in this video, we are going to be creating a free SMTP account, and I'm going to be showing you how you can create unlimited free SMTP account and with a top reputation. Yes, when you create this SMTP account, you don't need to warm it up. Once you create it, you can start using it to send right away, and 100% inbox guarantee. Number 3, I'm going to be walking you through all the features of SendReach Sender. While number 4, pricing and get started. Remember, you need a one-time investment of $30 to get the SendReach Sender. And the reason I say this one time is because once you get the sender, you can use it for life. You are not paying monthly, you are not paying yearly, and you also have room. You also have the advantage to have access to the free update of this software without paying a dime. How SendReach Sender works: a simple 4-step process to send millions of emails with zero cost. 1, like I said earlier, I'm going to teach you how to create a free SMTP and how you can create unlimited free SMTP to send up to millions of emails. Configure your SMTP. Once you get the SendReach software, you configure your SMTP, add your free SMTP credentials into SendReach software in a seconds. And this SMTP software, you can add as much as you have, and you can as well rotate this SMTP software within this SendReach Sender. Number 2, you have your lead already. You have your emails, your prospect emails ready. You have to import these prospect emails into the SendReach Sender. Upload your email list by the CSV or copy and paste directly. Step 3, compose your campaign. Compose your campaign. Most of people doesn't have campaign. Make sure you compose your campaign, and whenever you are composing your campaign, make sure your campaign is composed so to the rules and rules and regulations, terms and conditions of your emails, and make sure your campaign is composed with a good subject line. Design a SMTP, HTML letter template, or a plain text email with built-in editor. These features is there inside SendReach Sender. The last one, send and track. Why when you compose your campaign, reach your email copy, you can just launch your campaign and track your campaign by conversion or sales, because you can track your campaign by the conversion you have made, the money you have made through your campaign, the email sent, and as well sales, and as well maybe you are trying to send an email for your prospect to reply you, and you're getting it already. Creating unlimited SMTP. Yeah, build a high reputation sender network completely free, step by step. I'm going to walk you the process to do this all for free. Number one, sign up for a free email service. In this video, we are going to be making use of Gmail. I'm going to be teaching you how to use Gmail SMTP to send as much as emails you have. And Gmail SMTP has a good reputation at first. When you create the SMTP, you can start sending immediately with the SMTP. Step 2, enable SMTP access. When you create a new Gmail account, you don't get the SMTP credentials immediately. You have to enable the SMTP access. How do you do that? You activate SMTP in account settings for Gmail, enable less security apps, enable less secure app access, and also generate your app password. Your app password is the key access for you to use the SMTP of Gmail. Step 3, repeat the step 2 process again on a fresh Gmail and use SMTP rotation on SendReach Sender. Number 4, add to SendReach. Paste the SMTP credentials into SendReach, rotate across all accounts for maximum delivery. SendReach features. Let's go through SendReach Sender features. Number 1 features is multi-SMTP support. You can add any SMTP in this one. We have PowerMT SMTP, we have Magon SMTP, we have Poster SMTP, we have Maker SMTP, we have Gmail SMTP, we have Microsoft SMTP. So you can add whatever SMTP you have. Connect unlimited SMTP server simultaneously without any issue. Number 2, bulk lead import. You can upload your list into SendReach Sender bulkly. You can upload up to 10 million, up to 5 million email lists into SendReach Sender. You can even remove duplicates, validate emails. SendReach Sender can help you to validate your email. You don't need email validator for you to send. Once you have your list, either they are validated or they are not validated. Once you upload to email sender, SendReach Sender, before sending, SendReach Sender are going to validate all this email address one after the other before sending. Number 3, HTML email editor. You can use your HTML email editor on SendReach Sender. Number 4, SMTP auto rotation. Automatically rotate sender for deliverability. You can't use one SMTP. The reason why most SMTP die very quick is because it is only one SMTP that send up to 10,000 emails, 50,000 emails, 100,000. When the SMTP cannot do that, or the repetition of the SMTP is not up to that level. So SendReach Sender allow you to rotate SMTP. In SendReach Sender, we have a inbuilt email validation. It verifies each emails before sending. That is another features. Catch email duplicate. If you have the same email in your list, email sender is going to catch the email duplicate. Whenever we have the same emails, it's going to remove the email duplicate. Now, sending execution control settings. It has trend, priority, and sending interval. Maybe you want to send like 10,000 emails, you can send interval maybe after 3 seconds, move to the next email. After 5 seconds, move to the next. After like 10 seconds, move to the next email. So it has trend and has priority. high fidelity document integration. It has well it has well help to send it has well to send HTML template as PDF attachment with body inline message. You can convert your HTML template into a PDF document with SendReach software sender. Sending status. You can see how your emails are sending in real time to monitor the failed emails and the successful ones. Powerful sending engine. Unlimited emails per day, free SMTP, 99% inbox delivery, and 24/7 automation. Who is SendReach? Who is SendReach Sender for? Built for marketers, agencies and entrepreneurs who need real results. Digital marketers run mass promotion campaign, segment audience for presentation, business owner newsletter to existing customers, announce product launches, freelancer and agency manage multiple client lists, white label campaign sending, scale without extra software cost. Startup founders launch on zero budget, build email list from day one, drive traffic and conversion very fast. Simple one-time pricing. SendReach Sender license $30, one-time payment, lifetime access. You only pay once for this software and you have it for life. So now let's dive into the software and see how the softwares work. Yeah, this is a dashboard. This is the interface of the software. As you can see, we have the SMTP account, email template, start, pause, continue, stop, and clear log. So firstly, what we need to do first is to create our SMTP credentials. Let me delete this. Let me delete this. Let me delete this. This is our one we have there before. Let me delete this. So we are going to create our SMTP credentials. So we go to the Gmail. So I'm going to be using this Gmail account. So once you log into once you have a Gmail account, I will advise you to create a fresh Gmail account. Fresh Gmail account. Go to this icon here. Once you get here, click on manage your Google account. Just click on manage your Google account. Once you click on manage your Google account, search app password. So this is it. Most time, if you search their password and it's not enabled, go to this security and sign in. Once you click to security and sign in, you try to enable two factors authentication. So once you enable two factors authentication, it's going to ask you to add your phone number and your email address recovery. So once you add them, the two factors authentication is going to be on, and you can come back here and create your app password. So I'm going to click on app password. It's telling me to log in, so I'm going to log in into this account now. So as you can see, immediately I log into the password, it brings me to the app password page. So app password helps you to sign into your Google account on other app and service that does not support modern security standard. So this is the app password we need. So I'm going to just create SMTP 1. As you can see, I'm going to copy this password. This is exactly what we need. I'm going to copy it and save somewhere. Let me save it somewhere. So it has been saved somewhere. This is my add password. Add password has been somewhere, so I can close. So for people that want to use unlimited Gmail, unlimited SMTP, I'm going to create another SMTP using this software, using this. I'm going to follow the same process. I'm going to click on this here, then search for app password. As you can see, it is here already. So I click on it. Tell me to sign in. Can you see? So this is so I'm going to delete both of them. So SMTP 2. So I'm going to copy this again, then save it. So it has been saved. I'm going to close it like this. So next thing we have to do is to go into our SendReach software to add this SMTP credentials system. So click on SMTP account, click on new. Once I click on new, I will note this email, these two emails. So let me, as you can see, I've copied both emails. These are both emails. So I will just copy the first one like this. Copy it, then go to my software. So SMTP1, that is the name. Software reply to name. We can give him a what? Just one dynamic name. Let me just send rich. Let me name it send rich. So the host is smtp.gmail.com. That is the Gmail host. So this ought to be 587. As you can see, it has changed to TLS automatically. So copy this email address, paste it to the username, then copy the password, which is the app password. Don't remove the space between the password. The space be the password, among the password. So click on test. Let's see. Connection successful. So save. Let's add the second password, SMTP 2. So the second email, copy, like our name, SendReach smtp.gmail.com 587 TLS. So copy this, paste here, then the password. Like I said, the space is among the password. Don't remove the space. Once you try to remove the space, the password will not work again. So let's take connection successful. Then okay, we have two SMTP added already. Close. So the template, we have to create a template of our choice. So this is a dummy template. This is the template that will come with the software. The template that will come with the software. Anyone, you can add attachment if you want. So this is the dummy template. Now let's get a template. Let's just get a simple template, or we should use this template. Let's use this template. So let's save it. New template. The server should be welcome to send reach. So that's the subject line. So we can save it. We can import our HTML if we want. So this is the HTML code, as you can see. This is it. So we can just save. So let me delete all these templates. Delete all those templates. So let's delete it when I'm done. So we are done. So we can just close it like this. So the next thing for us to do is to upload our email list. I have over 70,000 emails, but for this video I will not be uploading all the 70,000. I will be uploading 10,000 email lists. And let me tell you something. In the presentation I showed earlier, let me show you. Gmail SMTP allow you to send up to 400 emails per SMTP per day. You can only send 400 emails per one SMTP per day. So if you are sending 10k emails per day, then you need 25 Gmail SMTP. Inversely, you need 25 Gmail accounts, which is very, very easy. So get 25 Gmail accounts, create your SMTP. So every day you have it in mind that you are sending 10,000 emails every day with your 25 SMTP with the features SMTP rotation. So that is it. So I'll upload my email now. Let me upload. So this is the email list. This is the email list I'll be using. as you can see, it has first name, and we are going to be using the first name effect as well. So let me add this as my email Deboye. Then let me go and copy email. So I'm going to add another email address. Let me add it here. Let me add it to this 15. Let me add it as James. Okay, let me say SendReach. Let me say SendReach. So let me go. So SendReach. So that is it. So let me save the email. So we are going to upload. How many emails do we have here? We have 17,000 emails. More than 17,000 emails. 17,244 emails. I'm going to upload everything. I'm going to upload all the emails. So this is the email address. So I will just go to my software. So click on start, select SMTP rotation. So I'm going to send to 1010. So the SMTP is going to rotate after they send 10 emails each. So I'm going to select this welcome to SendReach. So let me check my software my template to see if it's personalized. So let's use the email. So let's do variable. So email, or let's use their first name. Let's use their first name. So then save. So click on start, select all SMTP, set this to 10, anyone you want. So select this. So upload your email CSV. So let me go to download, then this is it. So upload, that will time it to, let me say 3 seconds. So you can see the features. I'm going to enable real-time email validation. So I'm going to enable these features. You can see this duplicating list as well is enabled. So if the software saw or get any email that is duplicate, the software is going to notify us and it's going to be removed immediately. So we can proceed. We are proceeding. For this email, we are not going to send all the 17,000 emails. Like I told you, Gmail only allow 400 emails per day. So let's proceed. Wait for this to show. We have the email and the first name. So that is it. So you can see duplication active. Remove one duplicate email address from your campaign list. So it has removed the email. So the email appears 2 times. So the software has removed it. Then we press OK. So can you see it? Start sending. So now we are using the SMTP1 because we said 10. So the SMTP1. So let's see. 5 cents. 6. So just reach 400 emails. So once we reach 500, I'm going to stop the video. The limit for Gmail SMTP is 400 emails daily. 400 emails daily. So once I reach 500 emails, I'm going to stop. So like now, the 2 SMTP I added can send 800 emails. Yeah, out of this 17,242, they can completely send 800 emails. So if we add more SMTP as rotation, then we can send more. So that's why I said if you want to send up to 10,000 dailies, daily, make sure you have up to 25 GB to create 25 SMTP credentials. So that is it. So as you can see, I talk about email validation. So he saw this email that is not valid, then failed. email address, invalid address to me, it does not send to it. It skip it. Can you see? The software skip that email because the moment it's sent to that email, it's going to affect the SMTP. So it skip it. Can you see? That is the features of the email validation. So now we are more than 500. I will pause this video. So for anyone that is interested in this software, the software is just $30. You can message me on my WhatsApp or message me. Yeah, just message the WhatsApp number below. Okay. So first come first serve, and once you get it, you have access to it lifetime, and as well the update that is going to be coming out of this for this software, you are going to have access to it without paying any dime. Thank you for watching. God bless. I still remain Adigbo Rafael Oluwatobiloba.